Okay, here's Delicious, the online social bookmarking site, and here's my account. My account, Delicious CS272, is also the URL. So to see my bookmarks, which are all public, you go to http://del.icio.us/cs272/. And here they're all saved. I saved them from my desktop at home, from my laptop, from my desktop at work. And you'll see for each entry, there's the title, the URL, which happens automatically when I add it, notes that I add, and tags. For example, this was a website, Web 2.0 in Education. I added the tags Web 2.0, Intro F2F for Intro Face-to-Face course, Networking and Social Software. And I put a little description here. Links to using Web 2.0 and social software in education. Now the beauty part is that I could search by any tag I want. For example, if I go to CS272/Web 2.0, enter, every bookmark that I have that has the Web 2.0 tag will show up just by including it in the URL. And you can get that from any web address. So it automatically searches, organizes, and it cross-references. If I put Web 2.0 plus book, these are links that I've saved that I'll also put in my book. You get all those links with both Web 2.0 and a tag book. So it's a real great way to organize, search, and cross-reference your links. Another thing that's really interesting is that you could now search other people's bookmarks. For example, on Web 2.0, you could see, well, Web 2.0 in Education, saved by 48 other people. Let's click those other people and see who else has saved it. Now let's just click DMills727 has saved it also. We click her name and we can see all of her bookmarks. So it's sort of like, in a legal and ethical way, looking through someone's computer. And she has a lot of interesting links. This person, I assumed, had the same interests in technology and education. So you could see all of her links with annotations and tags. So it's a great way to review it. And you could just save one in your, if I like it, you could just save it in, I could save it in my bookmarks as well. Another thing we could do, I'm going back to my bookmarks, is all my tags are right here. So I'm going to look up a tag, say comics. I have 4 items tagged comics. And I click it, and I come in here. So I could search by tags as well. The tags are like folders, plus they're much more flexible and versatile, since you could have one item with multiple tags, and you could cross-reference an item or a group of items that have the same series of tags, not just by single tag. Let's see what I have for under blog. Again, anything I've tagged with the word blog now comes on. And then you could say blog law. Look at this first one. 12 important U.S. laws every blogger needs to know. Let's see who else has saved it. Let's see what they say. Here are all their notes. Plus here are all the people that have saved it. And their tags. So what's really good about this is if you save a site that you really like, you can see who else has saved it and what sites they have tagged and have also saved. So that's the social in the software. You could also go to Delicious and see the hot list, things that are getting tagged and added frequently by all users. So you see what's hot among people on Delicious. Now to install Delicious, into your browser, you could go several ways. If you go to links for you, you can go to post and type in the URL and save it that way. Or you could add browser buttons. All you do is drag it up to your toolbar, and it's there. If you have Internet Explorer, Safari, or Opera, you just run a little file. And then it will be automatically right on your desktop link. Now here's a picture of my whole screen. And here's a site, podcastingnews.com. So I want to save it to Delicious. I have my two buttons here. So I dragged up from the Delicious website. I click Post to Delicious, and it automatically brings me here. I add my notes. And I add my tags. I hit save, and it brings me right back to the site. So it's saved on a web, and I can access it from any computer. I click on this other button to go to my Delicious, and there it is, Podcasting News, with a description and the tags. And it's been saved by over 1,000 other people. Here are their notes. In many languages. And here are the users that have saved it also. If you used a Firefox browser, like I'm using here, you can install the Delicious plugin, which gives you a whole bunch of features to be built in right into your main toolbar. Again, if you have Internet Explorer or other toolbars, or you prefer to keep it simple and just have the two buttons here, that's very simple to do from the Delicious toolbar, from the Delicious website. There are a lot of other functions. You could have networks, subscriptions, links for your post, as well as posting. You can look at popular or recent tags, search by tags, search the entire Delicious website, search your bookmarks, or search the web. It's a really flexible and very helpful tool to have. What we're doing for this course is you'll be creating bookmarks and tagging it with a term unique for our course. For example, in the face-to-face course intro, we're tagging it this way. I can see every tag that I have with intro face-to-face. Plus, we'll be able to look at all tags that have intro F to F by all users in the course.